Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assessing the chip or scratch so you know primer and paint type to use. Once done, clean thoroughly with soap and a degreaser to remove wax and oils. Dry with a lint-free cloth. Now sand the damaged area with 400-600 grit to feather the edges. This creates a key for primer and filler. Keep pressure light and check frequently, because oversanding removes good paint and widens the repair unnecessarily. Apply a thin coat of automotive primer to the sanded area. Make sure each coat flashes dry before applying the next to avoid runs. If there are deep pits, mix and apply body filler sparingly, let it cure fully, then sand smooth with 600-800 grit to match panel contours. Once smooth, scuff the surrounding paint lightly with a scuff pad to promote adhesion. This helps the color coat blend cleanly into the factory finish and reduces visible edges. Spray the base color in light, even passes, keeping about 6 to 8 inches away and overlapping each pass by roughly 50% so coverage builds without runs. Once base coats are uniform, apply 2 to 3 clear coat layers, allowing proper flash time between coats and a full cure before handling. If you see orange peel or dust nibs, wet sand with 1,500-3,000 grit and finish with a compound and polish. If color doesn't blend, try feather sanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.